wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
I wonder where Noah is. He's kind of late. Hi, Noah.
Oh, hi, Olivia.
Hi. What? Noah. Noah. Hey. Hey. What are you doing?
Oh, hi.
Hi.
I'm listening to some music.
Oh, what are you listening to?
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again.
Dream again. Ooh, I know that song. It's a good song.
It is a good song.
Mm-hmm. Do you know what?
What?
Today we're doing science.
Oh!
Mm-hmm.
The kids are here.
The kids are here.
We should say hi, shouldn't we?
Okay, let's say hi to the kids.
Wait, let me turn off my music and take this off.
Okay.
One moment.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put this to the side here.
You could keep it around for later.
Really?
I'll explain.
Okay, so let's say
Okay,
hi.
let's say hi to the kids. Are you ready?
Yeah. Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again.
Science.
Music? You said
Yeah.
I should listen to Wake Up, Dream Again song?
Well, what we're doing today is going to kind of be like dancing with science.
Dancing with science?
Yes, dancing with science.
Whoa, what does
Yeah.
that mean?
Okay, so what it means is we're going to take colors, food coloring, different colors, and put it in a thing of milk. And we're going to make the colors dance. Yeah.
How does that work? Oh,
Isn't that neat?
Are they going to make music?
They won't make music, but we can sing or we can play music while it does it.
But the colors are going to be
But
dancing.
the colors are going to be dancing. Do you want me to tell you how it works? Whoa.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, isn't it amazing?
Is this an experiment you prepared?
Yep.
All by
I got
yourself?
It already. Yeah, look, I brought all this stuff. See,
wow.
I got everything out, and I wanted to surprise you with science.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You're so smart, Olivia.
Thank you. You're so smart too. Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
So we're going to make colors dance.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know how that works. How does that work?
Oh, let me tell you. So what we're going to do, we're taking half and half. You can use half and half, or you can use milk.
Okay.
Either works. And then we're going to also take our Petri dish right there.
Okay.
And we're going to put the milk in the Petri dish.
Okay.
And then we're going to put colors from the food coloring you have.
These colors right here?
Uh-huh.
Got
We're
it.
going to put the 4 colors in the milk in
wait.
separate spots. Oh,
Red,
yellow,
yellow, and blue.
We said them in different orders.
Okay, we said it doesn't matter, right?
It doesn't matter,
But
no.
those 4 colors.
Yep, those 4 colors.
Okay, got it.
And then we're also going to take the dish soap.
The dish soap right here. Okay.
Yep, and we'll put 1 drop of dish soap in the milk.
And
And-
then?
Then it'll dance. It'll dance.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me recap. So, we take the half and half or milk, put a little bit into the Petri dish. Then, in each corner, we're going to take a drop of the colors.
Uh-huh.
Blue,
Red.
yellow, and green.
Yep.
We said it in a different order again?
Yep, every time.
Every time. And then, just 1 drop of that dishwasher's dish soap, and then it's going to start dancing? What if I tell you I don't believe you?
Oh, then I will tell you why. Do you want to know why it dances?
Yep.
Okay. So, milk and half, they all have a little bit of healthy fat in them.
Okay.
Yeah. And dish soap, how we clean dishes,
Yes.
it's basically designed, it's made to try and clean up that fat. So, yeah.
So, soap cleans up fat.
Yep. And so what it does is the dish soap will wander around in the milk and it will suck dissolve. And as they dissolve,
It makes the colors dance because... I got it.
Yay, yeah. So we get to see lots of pretty colors move like crazy dancing colors in the milk.
But honestly, Olivia, I have one more thing to say.
What's that?
I still don't believe you. I think you need to show me.
Okay, I'll do it. It's like show and tell.
Exactly.
I'm just doing it in the opposite order because I feel like I told and now I will show.
Yeah. So,
Doing it my own way.
let's show it to the kids, right?
Let's show it to the
We
kids.
want to see it and I want to see it.
Yes, I want to see it too.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. So, kids, you have all these items at home. How about you get them while we prepare setting everything up?
Yep.
And once you're back, Olivia's going to show us how this works.
Yep, we're going to do some science.
Science! Science!
Science!
Ooh, I'm excited.
Me too.
Let's get started.
Yeah. It was really cool that you were rocking out earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again.
So, what we have here is we have half and half, or you can use some milk. We have a petri dish, or you can use a bowl. We have some food coloring. And then I put a little tiny bit of dish soap in here so I can just get one drop because you don't need very much. Okay. So first what we're going to do is we're going to open the lid. And we're going to pour the half and half into here. Ooh, yeah, it's nice and thick. See, and we just need a little small layer. And then we're going to take the food coloring. Nice. And we're going to we're going to take the food coloring. And then we're going to do a drop of green. Maybe do 2 drops. Let's do like that. Okay. We did 3. And then a little bit of blue. Do it next to the green. Oh, yeah. That one only needed 2 drops. Ooh, look at how cool that looks. That's really neat, huh? I like it. It's like you can see the colors, the rainbow. You can see all the molecules. We learned about molecules before, huh? This has molecules in it too. Little small pieces. And then the last color we're going to do is yellow. Ooh. I'll do 3 of that one too. Ooh.
Whoa. But Olivia, those colors aren't dancing.
Because we haven't made them dance yet.
Do I need to sing, wake up and dream again. Science, science, you are smart.
Yeah. And then I'm going to take the dropper.
Oh.
And, yeah. And I'm going to put a drop right there. Oh. And let's do one over here. Oh. Whoa.
Whoa.
But see? Now they're dancing, right?
That's amazing.
Wow. Yeah.
And they don't even have to listen to our song.
But they can.
But they can. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again.
Ooh, look, it keeps dancing. Look, now the
Yeah.
red's moving into the yellow and the green.
Whoa.
Whoa. I bet it keeps changing. It's like,
amazing.
yeah, it's like tie-dye milk.
Olivia, you always surprise me. You
Aw.
have pretty cool and awesome science experiments.
Aw, that's nice, Noah. Thank you.
Especially the ones that kids can do.
Yeah, guess what?
What?
I only know the kind that kids can do because I am a kid.
Yeah, you're right. I'm a
Yeah.
kid too.
Yep. When I'm a grown-up, I'm going to know grown-up science.
Yeah.
Yeah. I kind of think kid science is probably cooler.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
We've learned so much already.
Ooh, look how much it's swirling now.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's amazing. Before, all the colors were in their own areas, but now it's like mixing.
Yeah.
It's all over the place.
Yeah, it's like a swirl of color and we didn't even have to stir it or touch it.
That is amazing.
See? Dancing colors.
Dancing colors.
Wake up.
Or
Wake up.
crazy milk.
Or crazy milk.
Crazy milk.
Crazy milk.
That's a funny one.
Yeah, but you don't want to drink it now because now it would taste like soap. Ew. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Ew. I don't like the taste of soap.
Well, Olivia, I have learned a lot again today.
I've learned a lot today, too.
I wonder if the kids learned a lot too.
Did you guys learn a lot?
Did you kids learn a lot?
I hope you learned a lot.
I hope so too.
Yeah. Wow. It's so colorful.
Well, kids, thanks so much for watching Dream Again.
Thank you
I
for
hope you
watching my science experiment.
And I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Science.
Science! Why are we being quiet? Dance music can be loud.
Okay.
Science!
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 Then let's sing Science, Science.
Science, you are smart.
Science, Science, you are smart. Science, Science, you are smart.
Science, science.
Bye, kids.
Bye,
See you
kids.
next time.
See you next time. Bye. Bye.
Science, Science, you are smart.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!